evening. This time I think this one works. Now I still have to check for sure that the privacy is public. Last time I did stream just for me. Well, okay. Let's hope that the kids or animals are not disturbing today. And for the drink, we have Ruby Jazz Ale. It has even won the World Best 2016. And this is a local brewery nearby. Let's see if anyone joins to us today, but we will see that. Today there seems to be 5 packages, 4 smaller ones, and then 1 bigger one that we can open last one. Yes, really good one. And this time, I also have the webcam open. Let's see. The first one says switches, 2 pieces for $2. Yeah, not exactly 2 switches. Four and these are a little bit different, but they are rotary encoders. If I remember right, it was 30 steps, but anyway, it's quite many steps because some of them are only with a smaller amount, and it has the push button. And and these are SMD. They are also going for the hybrid power supply that I'm planning, but let's see. Now I have a little bit changed the plan, so it's possible that I'm not going to use this kind of rotary encoders, but let's see. And these are similar ones, but a little bit shorter, but both have the switch. And these are different kind of knob for the what is the name? Oh, the covering that you can knob. Yeah. So a little bit different kind of. And these are from AliExpress, and I put the link later. Okay, the first one. Actually, it was nothing else. And then we have welding wires, $2.50. I don't remember that I have ordered welding wires. Let's see. It's possible. I think I know what these are. Let's see. These are packed very well. And I think these are something that you cannot even break easily. So let's see. desoldering week. I hope these are authentic one. Louis Rossmann is always recommending the good wick. There should be okay, these are only one width. Maybe there's another package coming because I think I ordered 1.5 and probably 2 or 2.5. But this should be really good one if these are authentic one. I believe these are Japanese made wick. I have to test it later. And there was some plugs maybe. No idea. Okay, it came with them. I have to check. Lead probe, $5. Okay. I just talked of these today in one forum. These are so-called 4-wire measurement cables, or Kelvin, or they have multiple names, but the point is that if you need to measure something that has really small resistance, so like a piece of cable, if you measure with a multimeter, just with 2 cables, you are also measuring the resistance of these probes, which is the problem. And with these ones, I'm just checking how these are connected, but yeah. With these ones, these are meant for use in a bench power supply that supports 4-wire measurement. So it's using 2 cables for putting the current in the circuit, and then the other 2 is for measuring the voltage over the thing that you want to measure. So then, and again, these 2 cables are connected. I think the other one is the other one, and the other one is the other one. So they are as close as possible of the item that you want to measure. So then you are not measuring the resistance of the cables. You can also do it with a normal meter if you have power supply that can provide the power to the circuit, and you measure the current and you measure the voltage with the normal meter, and then you well, if you have 1 ampere current in the circuit, then you measure the voltage and it's straight the same as the resistance. So if it's showing you 50 millivolts, then the resistance is 50 milliohms. But then if you don't have exactly 1 ampere, then you can just calculate it with the Ohm's law. This should go to my Ben's multimeter, which supports the 4-wire measurement. This says instrument parts, $3. Okay, more probes. Two different packages. Feels quite okay. So these are for measuring the SMD components or over the SMD. Quite a short cable, but other than that, it seems to be quite okay. The markings of negative and positive are really small. I don't know if, yeah. So those one I don't like, but when you press this together, they are so much open, so I think I can put some shrink wrap at least over the positive one, some red shrink, so it's easier to see which one is which. Because, yeah. And the cable is kind of short one. I don't know. Well, the cable is maybe 50 centimeters. And let's see. Probes. Cable feels quite okay. Hard to say if it really is. Have to test it with the solder. I think these are not really good silicon one. And also how much current they will really survive. But these are, I prefer that they are a little bit flexible, but yeah. And then there is different kind of tips. So yeah, these are okay. So these, wait, how these are should be used, because I think this one, this goes to these banana plugs, and also these ones. Oh, these are really strong ones. Not really like them, too strong. But it seems that it needs these tips first. And yeah, we have also, so there is bigger ones. Let's see if these fit. Yeah, okay, they go in these ones. And then, yeah. Don't exactly like this way. And I believe that even because normally I most likely use these sharper ones, and now I think these don't fit in these ones. Yeah, no. So if you want to use these ones, then you have to put these more like a um, standard ones instead of these sharper ones. So yeah, and quality of these is not very good one, but maybe the cover snaps quite nicely. Maybe I have some use for those. Okay, they snap very strongly. Yeah, let's try that one. Okay, and now this. Yeah. Push those one there. Let's see what was here. Sorry about, by the way, the light that is visible here, and it's also my forehead is shining because of that one. Have to live with that one now. Okay, so these small probes seems to go. Let's see if we can. Yeah. So I think this goes also. Yeah, same way to here. And then you can lock this one. And then we have the hook for crapping IC legs or yeah, similar ones, cheap ones that are in those Chinese logic analyzers. But I think they are okay for the multimeter use. And then the last one, let's see, voltage meters, instrument parts, accessories, USB meter, battery testers, and USD $61.28. Normally they are not putting. I think that can be even the real value. But commonly there is something like gift and well, okay, this is also gift, but I think the value is real one. Check how can I open this one under the camera. Okay, okay, let's see. I think I take few items because there seems to be so much. Let's check this one first. USB energy tester. Yeah, so it's this one is just you put it input and the output, and it's measuring the voltage current and most likely also power. Don't remember exactly, but oh yeah, voltage, current, power, cumulative, power metering, time. Yeah, and it's measuring up to 32 volts and 5 amps, which is more than enough for me in USB projects. But yeah, it's okay. 5 amps can be in some cases, and at least up to 20 volts at the moment, but maybe in the future it can be more. And I need it in many different things, but also when I'm building the power supply, because it's going to be either powered with a quick charge or then the USB-C PD power. What was the PD power something? Power distributor? I don't know. Power delivery. Yeah. And I think this is similar one. It also have the micro USB and Type C and Type C out, USB out and in. This micro USB also seems to be in, because now I'm not totally sure if this can log data to the computer. So I have to test that one, because I think this can be the one that even the micro USB seems to be like in, but yeah, I think it's for the computer and it can log the data. I have to test that one and check the AliExpress product that I did buy. Okay, I think this is something that has gone with this one. I think I haven't ordered this one exactly. So this is really basic power tester. So it just have power resistors, and you can make few different powers, how many amperes it's taking with these switches, but yeah, I think I don't have any use for this one. At least I don't know at the moment how would I use this one. Okay, let's take the bigger item. This is probably just the charger, yeah. Easy adapter with the plug for the Europe that I'm using. Then some alligator clips, and this is now the DC load. And this, I don't have any programmable load at the moment. It's something that later I think I will buy some bigger one, better quality one, but now let's see. I hope that this works for my purpose. Yeah, I think there is only one MOSFET and big heatsink, even two fans. Yeah. And you can connect this one to the computer. I don't remember but I think, yeah, you were able to control it from the computer, but I have to test that one. But it has current, or yeah, the resistance basically uh, for this coarse and fine. And one push button, um, different. I think these all were inputs. So there is Type C, micro USB, USB Mini. There is the there is standard USB, and this one came with that one because I was thinking if I build a quick charge power supply, then I can use this one. So this is quick charge trigger. So it just goes between the USB device, and with these push buttons I can communicate the quick charge and do the communication to the data lines of about the voltage. It has some LEDs, 5 volts, 9 volts, 12 volts, and 20 volts. But yeah, with the quick charge 3, I think it was every 300 millivolts, the steps up, and yeah, they can provide up to 20 volts, but I have never seen a quick charge 3 charger that provides more than 12 volts. So, but if someone can see that kind of, then drop me a message. But that is one big reason why I'm thinking of the USB PD power delivery, because you can find easily with the bigger power supplies. Then, well, I don't know, the quick charge is maybe more common protocol, so in that way it would be nice to implement that one. Maybe there is also possible that I can implement both of those. I don't know yet. Does it make much more complicated? Example, I don't have any power bank that can provide USB PD. Well, I think I don't even have a quick charge power bank at the moment, but they are still, anyway, they are more common. So most likely, I think this can plugged here, and then you can plug from the power supply, and you can do the communication of the voltage, and then I can log the data to the computer, and that is providing the correct current and voltage that it should be. And this can also provide the voltage out. So I think this can be just a measurement device in the between, but it can also be the load itself and dissipating the heat from the MOSFET. But yeah, I have to test. Also, I have no idea if this supports the USB PD, but I'm afraid that it doesn't support that one. And yeah, there was the alligator clip USB input. So yeah, I can take it from the some power supply with these ones also. And then there was some two other alligator clips and more alligator clip. Uh, okay. I don't know why it came with this one and also the same kind of, but yeah, much thinner cables. This seems to be quite a good one. These are 18, yeah, and these are, can I see even? I think it doesn't say. It has text, but no, 22. Yeah, but yeah, it has both ends, USB, male and female. So yeah, those are quite nice. A lot of things for testing how they work, and English instructions even. Yeah. Yeah, this is the multi-purpose USB port for the quick charge trigger. Different battery inputs. And let's see what's on specs. Voltage from 0 to 200 volts. Current from 0 to 20 amperes. So yeah, not bad. So it's yeah. What was the power of this one? It doesn't say anywhere. Because now I don't remember how many watts it is. So of course it with 200 volts, I think that size, yeah, not many amperes. So of course, like 20 amperes have to be with the quite low. Okay, it says less than 150 watts. Maybe it was that one. Well, I provide the link, so not sure if it was that one. Okay. That was the packages for today. I will most likely make either a live video of the testing, or then I record the video and edit and publish that one. I don't know yet. Thanks for today. Now I'll just find my mouse from somewhere. Okay, let's use the laptop. So bye for this time, and let's see some other time again tomorrow.